Alright, hi guys, Derpy Nerds here, and we built something. Oh crud, but we built a little bit of a thing, as you can see. You know, just a normal way to get down the stairs. Just a normal way to get down the stairs. So, yeah, let's. I'm ready. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Start. Okay, one sec. Okay.
This is literally a wielding noose.
It's welding.
Oh.
And it's a cardboard box. Okay, I just need a view that will show this epic event of epicness.
Dude, my protection's
So yeah, guys, if you're bored in quarantine, actually don't do this. Okay, go. Woo!
fail.
Man down, man down. Oh.
That was a fail.
Can it be my turn?
My thing flipped over.
Can it be my turn?
Yeah,
Quick
sure.
note before we get back to the video. Like and subscribe for more funny, cool, amusing content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell because a lot more now. Maybe we can do like a 2 videos per week thing. So you'll get notified when a new video comes out. That would be cool, right?
Run. Here you go. You can put this on your head. Well, now I have to get it.
No, don't. I'll just go.
No, you're gonna crush it.
Doesn't matter.
Good view.
Have to go.
No, stop.
Don't get the box. Don't
getting
do it. Really?
Sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Running time.
I am ready. Not really. Okay, let's go. Whoa. It doesn't work.
Okay, it works. Why? You aren't on the box. You slipped. Okay, come on. Retry. No, stop. What's that? Ow. Oh. No. Ow. No. Stop. Ow. Oh my gosh.
What man?
A big girl.
Alex's test run number 2.
Wait, stop.
I need to set the camera up.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Whoa. Oh no.
It was nice knowing you. Oh!
Oh. Didn't. You know what? I'm just gonna. Oh, Jack, stop. Jack, what it? No, please. Don't do it. No, please.
Before we get back to the video, I want you to like and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so when a new video comes out, you'll be the first to know. Anyways, back to the video.
So, what we're about to do is insane. That's why Jack went to this extreme to protect himself. You can probably guess, but maybe you can't guess. So, I'll tell you. We're both gonna ride on it. All the way down. Why are we doing this? Ow, gosh! didn't happen. Why we're doing this is because you saw our last 2 runs, right, Jack?
Yeah.
Yeah, they went totally terrible, right? They absolutely failed.
First one did really good.
But our last 2, they absolutely failed, right?
Yeah.
Which tells us one thing. And what is that one thing?
I can't hear you right now.
Okay, you know what? I'll answer for you.
Here. Okay.
The thing that tells us is writing both of us on it will be a perfect idea because of how well it will go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so, get that helmet on.
Hey, you have to have something to connect to you too.
Why? I see no need for that. Okay, this is it. Okay.
That helmet getting on. Wait, I need some
Okay, let's do this.
over here. Get on right beside me.
Okay, where's my little, thing?
It's right beside me.
Right beside you? Like right here? This is room. Okay, guys, this is it. Nice knowing you.
Flip it up. I can't do it.
Let's do this.
Okay,
Thanks
no,
to you.
Move it forward.
If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you've hit the notifications bell when this video comes out, at least you knew me. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Do this. Okay. Pull. Come on, you can't. Joking right now. Let's go a little bit forward. Might take a couple of turnities. Nope. Oh, crud, darn it. Yeah, sorry about that.
It was my fault.
Okay,
Can
I'm ready.
anybody hear me clearly? Because
Nope. Let's go, Jack. Jack, you have to hold on and push with your. This won't work, so it will work. Jack, you're leaning over there. Okay. Push with your back hand. Push with your left hand. But don't hit the iPad, or else all of this is for nothing. Okay, let's go.
I'm fine.
You're doing everything. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Ah.
Help you,
Oh, no.
I can't see anything. You're on my visor.
Oh. See, guys, nothing went wrong. So, guys, that is basically the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Next video, we're going to be doing a thing with stuffed animals inspired by Just Jack Jr., our editor. He's in some of our videos. You might know him as Dylan. He's doing what is it? His first video ever, made like 3 years ago or so, called Freddy's First Friends or something. Yeah, whatever. That's called, I forgot. We are doing something that's related to it with our stuffed animals, because he's doing a part 2. So, hey,
Get in the back.
that might be cool.
Get in the back.
What?
Get in the back.
You're going again? You're joking. You're going again.
Now, get in the back.
You're going again?
Yeah, get in the back.
Are you insane?
No.
Well, I am. So,
Hold on to my shoulders.
anyway, guys, that was this video.
Push with one hand.
We are about to do this again, and we're probably gonna break everyone in our body. So,
Push him.
like and subscribe, hit the notifications bell for when our next video comes out,
Push.
and have a nice day.